Hello, this video is going to explain a new update you'll see in the Asteroom mobile app called Appliances, where we'll be taking photos of the appliance's serial number and model number, as well as an overview photo to provide more enhanced data to our clients. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your album screen. You're going to make a new album for this job assignment. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to click on the test album here. You're going to go ahead and go through a property, do everything you would normally do. Now, when you go to report, when you click property, at the bottom, you're going to see a new section here called appliances. If you've been asked to scan the appliances, you are going to mark yes. If you have not, go ahead and mark no. For demonstration purposes, you'll see a couple different items here. These are the required appliances to scan at a property. Now, additional items may be asked to be scanned, such as ovens and things, which can be scanned under any name. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to go through one appliance scan. So when you're going through, you're going to go ahead and you can mark how many there are. You can adjust how many are in the property. I'm going to just mark air conditioner 1 and answer question. Answer question. Now here you're going to be asked to take two photos. The first photo is a photo of the label, and if I click camera here, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be doing my oven here. Now the serial number for this is found on the inside, and what you're looking for is a model number and a serial number. Now when you take the photos, try to take it at an angle where you can see the numbers. If you see from this angle, it's tough to view. From here, you can more clearly see, and click use photo. Now, if you feel like the serial number is not clear, please enter that number in the text section here, which I would enter SS 601 697Q. If you think it's clear, just go ahead and enter the number 0. After you've done this, you're going to go ahead and take a photo of the appliance in question. So when you're taking a photo of any appliance, do your best to include the manufacturer's logo in it. Don't take the photo from an angle or like this. Try to take it from straight on so that it fills the frame, like so. Now, the last thing is if you notice any damage or anything notable about the condition of the appliance, please mark it. If everything looks in working order, go ahead and just put NA, which stands for not applicable. Once this is done, you'll see that the photos button at the top there has turned from red to purple, and you can go ahead and click back. You can click back once more, and as you can see, since I've only marked air conditioner unit, this section has turned black and I'm good to go. If you have other appliances to do, such as an air handler or furnace, go ahead and click those and then go back through and click answer questions, and you'll see here now that they show and you can capture that information. So go ahead and do this for all of the required appliances here, which are air conditioner, boiler, air handler, heat pump, furnace, water heater, gas, or water heater electric. Please, in addition, if you've been asked, capture other things such as dishwasher, oven, stove, microwave, or washing machines if asked. They can be done under any label. But go ahead and go through the property and capture the appliance information. If you are having trouble finding the label on a appliance, please do not move the appliance. And we don't want you to get hurt or to damage the property. Just go ahead and take an overview picture for both photos and mark in the comments, could not locate appliance label. And finally, we have a helpful link for common areas to find this information that you can ask our team for if they haven't provided that already. I hope you find this helpful, and thank you for continuing to work with Asteroom.